Hey guys, in today's video I thought it'd be really cool to share with you how to warm up, how to get into soldier pose. And this pose really helps to bring me peace and tranquility, and in no way is my pose perfect, but I really wanted to share these tips with you, how I warm up, how to get into this pose without causing myself any injury. I think it's really cool that it's a work in progress, as it just goes to show you that your practice is beautiful no matter what stage you're at. Just know that practice and all is coming. I also created a video on my leg stretching routine, which has enabled me to do this pose, as you really need flexible legs, which I will link down below if you want to check that out. So without further ado, let's get right into it, you guys. The first thing I usually do is I just stretch all the way up. Inhale as you raise up, exhale as you lower. Stretching all the way down, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and your calves. Forward into downward dog. Downward facing dog helps to calm the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. It really energizes the body and it stretches your shoulders, hamstrings, calves, and the arches and hands. And it also strengthens your arms and legs. It also helps to relieve menstrual discomfort. It can also really help to improve digestion as well, helping your body release toxins. You can also stretch out your legs whilst doing downward dog. Coming all the way forward, breathing into the stretch. Just leaning really deep into one leg, and then I'm going to lean into the other. To go as low as you can. You're aiming for the head to touch the knee, but don't worry if you can't. Be patient and kind with yourself. Just do what feels comfortable for you. Just do what you can. Don't force anything. Now taking even deeper, spreading my legs and trying to put my head all the way onto the mat. Just stretching all the way back, and then I'm going to come all the way down into a nice forward fold. Forward folds are amazing. They help to calm your brain, they relieve stress, and they help to stimulate the liver and the kidneys. They stretch the hamstrings, the calves, and the hips. They also can help with improving your digestion. Whilst you're in this position, ensure to really suck that navel towards your spine, and you will notice so much improvement within your digestive system. It can also help to relieve headaches and insomnia. They help to reduce fatigue and anxiety, and they can also help if you suffer from mild depression. Jumping into 2020 like. Now we're going to stretch our arms out. I'm just raising them and then folding them behind my head like so, and then leaning to side. This is a lovely little stretch. Stretching each arm out individually and just stretching my shoulders. And then we're going to come into child's pose, which is a really great resting pose. Helps to release tension in the back, shoulders and chest, and it's really recommended if you suffer from dizziness or fatigue. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, and it flexes the body's internal organs and keeps them nice and supple, and it helps to lengthen and stretch your spine. Tyrese catching his ball. Up with my arms folded behind my head and then all the way down into a nice forward fold again. Warming up is so essential to prevent any injury. It helps you to become way more flexible to take on more intense poses. It's nice to just get our body flowing, get the joints opened up. Doing pyramid pose. Pyramid pose is a really great stretch on your hamstrings. It helps to improve your posture. It also aids in digestion and it can elongate your hamstrings. It's really stretching them, so remember to breathe through it, you guys. It also helps to calm the brain and flush the sinuses with mild inversion. And it stretches your spine, taking my arms wide and then taking them back. This feels amazing, you guys, on my spine, helping to improve my posture. I feel totally amazing after doing this. It really helps to calm me, grounding me and centering me, helping me feel lifted on that natural high. Little ones. Stretching my arms out, coming up around into a big circle. To inhale as you raise up and then exhale as you lower. Stretching up and down again. Really feel the new energy rushing within your body. Feel lifted with the new life and energy. It's within you. The power is all within you. Everything comes from you, your perspective, your life choices. It's all you. Don't you ever forget, you are the creator of your very own reality and you hold the power. The world is yours for the taking. Warming up is so crucial because if you don't and you just attempt a really intense pose, you can really injure yourself, and it also helps to reduce muscle soreness. As it gradually gets your body ready and it raises your body temperature and increases the blood flow to your muscles. Yoga has completely changed my life and I'm hoping that it can change yours too. This is why I make these videos, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I really hope that you find these videos useful and you do. Even if you try a little bit of yoga, you will have made my day. Please don't forget to comment down below if you do. Stretching my legs out a little bit more, and my little boy is in the way. Back into pyramid pose after my forward fold. Into downward dog just before I attempt the pose, making sure our whole body's all ready and stretched out. Here we go, guys. Time to attempt the pose. This pose can be quite tricky. It's all about finding the balance on that one leg, and you really need to balance yourself, find your center. As I remember the first time I attempted it, I literally fell. So please, if you're going to attempt it, try to attempt it on a soft floor. Not like me. I attempted it on my hard kitchen floor and I hit my knee quite hard. But I was fine, guys. This pose literally gives me so much peace. I've never felt more at peace. Going to do a little bit more stretching. Like I said, this pose is far from perfect. It's a work in progress, but practice, you guys, and all is coming. Literally humble yourself. Don't feed the ego, feed your soul, and just keep practicing. If at first you don't succeed, try again. There we have it. My goal is to bring my foot further across, onto the other leg, if you see what I mean. Showing you how it looks from the side as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I really hope you found this video useful. I love you with my whole heart. Don't forget to stretch and drink your water and watch my videos. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love and light. Mwah.